Help! 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 He's dying! He's dying. I'm Shlomi. Welcome to class. Now, I have a question. If you hear that and you're a police dispatcher, do you know what to do? If you see an emergency and you panic like that on the phone when you call 911, do you think we are going to get any help and police would come to help you from the thief or mugger or whatever it is? What do you think? Clara, what's your opinion? No, right? That's not how you should speak to a policeman. What do you think, Sam? If you say that, would they know where you are? Also not, right? Exactly, right. You have to first tell them where you are. You can't just panic on the phone. If you just panic on the phone, you might relieve your panic, maybe, but you're not going to get the help that you want. So the first rule when coming to an emergency and getting help is telling the location first. That's the gold rule you should remember, the location first. If you say the location first, even if you say, hello, 100 Broadway Street, and then you start panicking, help, 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 and the phone dies, so you might get help coming to your location. But if you say the help, help, help first without the location, then you're not going to get anyone coming to help you. So in today's class, we're going to learn some vocabulary related to emergencies and how to describe the problems that you're having and what you need help with and what's your problem. But don't forget the golden rule. What's the golden rule, Clara? You're not sure? How about you, Fatima? What is the golden rule? Can't hear you. Speak up louder. Very good. You have to provide the location first. Right, you should always remember that. When you call for help, you need the location first. Everyone repeat after me. Location first. Let me hear you. Good job. Okay, one more time. Location first, because it's so important. If you ever get stuck and you need help, you should say the location first when you call the phone, so you don't get stuck with like the person I imitated who called the phone and said, help, 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 and he panicked without providing the address. And for example, if your phone dies, your phone could die after the first sentence, or perhaps you're being mugged and you only have one sentence on the phone. So if your one sentence is the address, then you're not so bad off. You could get help. 911 could send cops to your location just if you call them and give an address, and then you're cut off. They're going to send someone to your location. But if you just panic, they don't know where you are, and you're stuck with that mugger yourself. So first we're going to use a Quizlet set. I'm going to project words, vocabulary on the board behind me, which you don't see because I'm in a demo lesson. And you're going to shout out to me what the definition of the word means. Okay, if you don't know, maybe some of you do know, but wait, and we're going to explain each one, or it's going to appear on the board afterwards. So first word is witnessed. Witnessed, as you see, it's in the past tense. A witness would be in the present, and the ed at the end is past, simple past. So what does witnessed mean? Does anyone here know what witnessed means? Do you know, Clara, what does witnessed mean? Very good. Okay, someone that has seen something, he's seen a crime, he or she have been present at the crime, or at anything, the subject of the discussion, which someone has been there. So whoever has been by that subject is the witness. Very good. So that's witnessed. Okay, now another word, choking. Who knows what choking means? What do you say, Fatima? You're not sure? Okay, who knows what choking is? Oh, very good. Okay. Choking is when you can't swallow and you're suffocated by food or something. Something is stuck in your throat and you can't breathe. So that's called choking, and it's very life threatening. You can die pretty quickly if you're choking and you can't breathe. So that's an emergency you have to clearly articulate on the phone when you speak to 911. If you just say help, 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 you're going to end up dead.